Why did you do that? Oh, sorry, I should have... Wow, it doesn't really matter. Let's get these cobwebs.
Wait a minute.
I do not have very many torches, so you should be the torch placer.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, ice is slippery.
It's always been like that.
Oh. Yeah, I knew that.
What's up? Wait. What's over here?
Some
Ooh.
lead and some silver or platinum.
That's silver, and there's a lot of it. Watch out. There's an explosive. It doesn't look like it's hooked up to anything. Yeah, nice. Ooh.
Oh.
No!
Oh, heart. I'll just mine the heart and die.
How do we get out?
Use your grapple hook.
Oops. Oh.
Is that more silver?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Ah! Let me out.
Let's not break that.
What is this rumbling? Is this just from us being underground?
Yeah.
There's a spike slime over there. I'm gonna go above it. Oh, nice.
Let's get you something. I already have a nice cloud and bottle, so. What's it?
Some good stuff. Ice skates, awesome.
I mean, not horrible.
I mean, I have empty spaces right now. We got a suspicion. Oh, ice mirror, sick.
Oh, heck yeah.
Oops. Okay. There's no wormhole potion.
Oh gosh, no! Ooh. Fire.
Where are you at? Oh, you're not.
I'm dead. I think... Oh, the cobwebs lit on fire.
Don't you use... Aren't ice skates part of like a... something for a mega boot?
Not in this version. Well, yes, a good
okay.
boot. You can make frost spark boots, which are like the best.
But it
boots.
doesn't help that much.
No, it helps a lot, but you can't make the Terra Spark boots, which are just amazing.
Which way do you want to go? I think there's
Right.
more trees to the right. No, there's no. There's like no trees there.
Oh, because you chopped them all down.
Well, and there were hardly any before I chopped them down. Ah.
I'll build a bridge there next time.
This is funny. Funny jumping.
Bunnies.
I tripped for a second and now I'm like a mile behind you.
Bye.
I'm so fast. Oh, I tripped.
The only problem
Oh,
with
it doesn't
moving faster
matter.
than light is that you have to live in darkness.
And also that you have to go above the stupid lake.
I'll build a bridge on this too.
Egg, why is the world already super... We just gotta mine a huge tunnel across the entire map and then pave it with asphalt, okay?
Okay.
How do you make asphalt? How hard is it to get the
It's a
asphalt maker?
post-mechanical boss thing. You get it
Oh,
from the-
really?
You get it from the chick, the steampunker.
I knew that, but I didn't know it was post-mechanical.
Yeah.
We should still make a road with sunflowers. I'm trying to help you, but... Uh-oh.
From,
Oh, that's a lot of zombies.
Ooh, where?
I'm so powerful.
Yes, you are.
The boomerang's the best weapon in the game. Did you figure out how to do like fast attacks and stuff?
Oh yeah. What?
Check out what I got.
A zombie arm?
No.
Wait, how did you get that?
Doggy, I found him in a box.
Really?
He's got brainworms.
He does?
Yeah, now he can sleep.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Our storing isn't synced up.
Do we have to wait for Cody to sleep before it skips the night?
I think so.
Dang it.
Why is there 2 moons?
I don't know.
When you wake up, there's a second moon. Just
Yo.
press 1 button and wake up and there's 2 moons. I think that's so funny, this. Hey, how do you do it? Maybe we should start digging a tunnel. I'm bored. I want to start digging a tunnel.
Okay.
Where should we make the tunnel start from? Like right a little bit below the house, like right here? Should be the base of the tunnel, do you think? Where I'm standing?
Shouldn't it be under?
Let's make it kind of long and then see if we want to make it even taller.
I think we should make it 5. Just so it's symmetrical.
You're making it a little deeper? Do you have a hammer? You know what? Wait a second.
Oh, where's my hammer?
Okay, I'll mine the top 3 layers and you mine the bottom 2.
Okay.
What if you could mine vein on stone?
That would destroy the world.
What if you could mine vein on dirt?
That would equally destroy the world.
Yeah, it is way faster.
Let's make it 3. Where it has, like,
So we are gonna go... Oh, a golden thing, a golden bug.
Oh, where? I have a...
Ahead. It's like underneath that tree ahead. You should maybe dig up so we don't kill it with our pickaxes.
I don't see it.
It's underneath that tree ahead. I don't know how I could point it out to you. But there's a tree, like a regular tree, and there's a gold bug at the base of it. I'm getting close to it. It's like 4 trees past where I'm at.
Oh!
Keep going.
No!
We lost like 10 gold there.
Yeah, that sucks.
Oh, okay, I gotta place more blocks. Oh, you just... Wow, that is fast. Why is there blood raining? Why is there blood raining?
Oh, something must be hurt that's flying.
Whoa, trees are burning and blood is raining. What is that?
Thunder?
Oh, the trees... Okay, but there's blood raining. That's not thunder.
That's probably a flying fish that was injured. I injured it.
Oh, oops, I accidentally blocked off the path.
That's alright.
Let's stop here.
Let's do it together. Whoa! Did you see that?
Yeah.
That was cool.
Goodbye. Oh, you're going that way. I'll start from the other side.
Okay.
I just wanted to go down the tunnel. This is awesome. Holy crap, this is definitely faster already than you could ever go in normal Terraria.
Oops, I'm dead.
Oh, how do we mob-proof stuff in this game? Just torches?
Walls.
Or make it a house?
Yeah, make it a house.
I love that.
Okay, I can pick up now.
Oh, crap.
Oh gosh.
Okay, the boomerang is so much better in this mod.
I need to get me a boomerang.
You did have one.
Fire. Well, I gave it to you.
Yeah, I know.
Because I felt
Shouldn't
bad
have done
because
it.
you didn't have any items.
Yep. And now you feel bad because I have the best item. We can make it ice. Maybe. You also look so goofy when you go down it. Oh, this is awesome. Do you want to start going right, or do you want to just continue going left?
It's up to you. We're gonna have trouble when we get to the Evanstone.
Yeah, let's just go left for now, since we can go there for a while until we get to... Wait, can I mine Evanstone?
You need a nightmare pick. Wait. Either a nightmare. No, you need a nightmare pickaxe.
Oops, I dug down.